What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your man Mousy, Teach for Life. We back again, on the weekly YouTube show, Teach for Life, where we bring the platform, we bring you all things related to life. Where we share things, we talk about things. Each one teach one, you know what I mean? Yeah, we ain't perfect. I ain't perfect, and it is what it is. But at the same time, neither is your pastor, your preacher. You listen to him every Sunday. So if I can give you some on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, that'll help you, or Saturday, that'll help you get this bag. And you can turn, you might have some info for me to help me get this bag. Each one teach one. We earn as we learn, baby. We done took our ups and downs. But if you in the market, you know that's what it is. If you a hustler, you know that's what it is. Yeah, we all could just sit back, work a 9 to 5, do our everyday grind. Well, not everybody want. If that's all I wanted, then I wouldn't do more of nothing but that. The easiest thing to do is get a job, baby. But learning how to master, not even master, just get in this market, work that Wall Street, get that money back. Cause we got money to get back. Y'all know it. Yeah, I lost 54,000. Playing these Wall Street games, but at the same time, it was only off a $6,000-$7,000 investment. So that shows me that my growth potential and the moves I was making for only a 1-year investor, I was right on track. So seeing that money pop like that, I ain't letting this thing go. So check it out. I'm gonna bring y'all some what we doing about AMC. So on this week, Teach for Life, Midwest Connected Media 219 TV, we talking about stocks on the block, baby. Stocks on the block is to really let the hustlers know we got options. So we're gonna talk about options, calls, puts, things of that nature. Every week we'll be bringing it in. What you got going this week? How you playing AMC? All my apes, gorillas, all that, my reelers. It's that time. AMC GameStop Part 2. GameStop did the stock split, so if you see it on there for $35, that's in the stock split. So at the same time, boom, get that up, boom, get that up. With inflation, everything, certain trades is now what they call an inflation trade. So now let's make AMC, let's make GameStop, and whichever was the other ones y'all want to get going, let's get them going, whatever ones you might know about. But real quick, we're going to take a little look at the chart right quick, right? Now, me, myself, we're going to sit back real quick. We're going to go over certain things. Now, what I like to do is, see, when I first got in this thing, which is over, I got in at the end of 2020, at the end of when, like right after the pandemic popped, and saw what up. So what's going on now, this recession talking all this, market, because boom, the stock market is where the stimulus checks came. Not a financial advisor, fiduciary, so no meaning am I telling you what to buy, hold, or sell, or what to do with what. But I am a licensed life insurance agent, so these things of that nature in that financial services world that we deal with and talk to, in the stock market is one of them. So in that sense of regard, because you got some life insurance policies where they invest some in life insurance policy and they invest the rest through those institutions, and they invest in that into stocks. They doing calls, puts, they making the money off your money, boom, and giving you a return at the end of the year for maybe 10%. You give them 1,000, they give you 10, 20% as a return at the end of the year. Meaning throughout the year, they done made 200 to 300% off of your money that you put. That's their business. You don't knock the hustle. But if you're a person that don't want to do this right here, sit down at the screen and look at certain things. And, hey, but anyway, let's talk about it. All right, now right now AMC is at 1550. Now me, my style, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm here for the real common ones, the ones that want to do something else besides. But so we're not gonna get all technical, 15 computers and screens. But I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna learn off of what I learned. What I lost my money with, I'm gonna let you know you get paid off my pain, baby. So when I tell you what, like say right now, I'm looking at this right now, I got paid off the first AMC. I popped 4,000 off a $400 call. Off the first AMC. When I did that, that's when the AMC was. So let me see. So now the chart right here, I like to use this Webull screen, Webull. So we'll put it in the link. You get the Webull link, or you get whatever link. If you want to, I'll put that in the description if you don't already have one. But I use Webull, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood. I like Robinhood because you can do options way far out the money, but we'll get into that as weeks go on. We'll break it down. I mean, you watch your other channels, shout to Wall Street Trapper, baby. Wall Street Trapper, Trap, my man from EYL, Ian, because he's from the 219 area, you know, so shout to him, but that's a brother doing social. Y'all got anywhere connection with him, link him up. Hey, link me up, hook me up, tell me how can I get my money back? What can I do? Because right now I'm doing what I know how to do. So shout to my man KD, Rose Cav. Ken, he brought me in the game, told me about options when I was talking about investing when George Floyd was popping, everybody got into the market. That's when these highs came. But anyway, at that time, which was what, 2020? So when I come to the chart, I like Weeble chart, because see, as I'm looking at these, now all these over here, these are the numbers, what they call a watch list. You know, so when you sit down, you get you a watch list. Those are stocks that if this one not working, you might want to go into this one. If you invested in them more than once, you can watch how they moving throughout the day. So what I like Weeble chart, because I can look at what's rolling over here, whatever. I'm like right now, I'm in the Coinbase. You know, and I'm trying to get in and catch this AMC before it go too high. And see, that's something that I learned. So you don't chase the highs. So when you're looking at a chart like this right now, what I see, I ain't a technical analysis. Now, mind you, all this I done taught myself from just losing and learning and losing and learning and learning and losing. At the same time, I'm learning also it's about managing risk. It's about managing your risk, especially when you're playing options. I learned was I an investor or a trader, was I flipping or investing? See, I came in the game with a flipping mind state. But any platform, you got to have at least 25,000 in your account to go in and out in options as you please. Other than that, they only give you like 2 or 3 or 4 times. You do 2, you go in and out too many times in 1 week. You're restricted from trade. So you have to learn all of that. So you got to learn all that. You don't want none of that to happen with money running up. So anyway, all my AMCH where it's going, it's at 1550. You see, it was just at 1837 on the 21st. That was the high. And sometimes you got to pay attention to the highs, the lows, the earnings. Like I wasn't paying attention to none of that at first. I wasn't tripping up. All I knew was, yo, it's gonna go up. Now me, I'm into selling merchandise. Used to have a little retail store, so it's all buy and sell to me. That's why I was able to adapt to the market so quick. Because I just looked at the stock market. It's just a big store for the world. Like, yo, so I looked at it as I was at my store. I can sell you shoes, I can sell you this, I can sell you that. I buy this low, buy low, sell high. That's how I looked at it. It's buy low, sell high. But you got to get into the tech. Now, this is what they call the technicals. Now, if you're a technical person, you into the numbers, the analytics, this. But the basic, you still, like when they say know your information. Whatever company you're going to get into, whatever company say you're going to get behind, or you want to put a stock or pull or call or put on it, you're going to call is when you're doing options and trade. Options is a form of trade. You got swing trade, but options is the form of trade that get rich quick, as they say. That's the one that people try to say it's like a gamble. But what it is, to me, what I realized, it seems like options is the way that they make money throughout the weeks over time. Now, if you long-term investing, now that goes to my life insurance background. Because now when I talk to people about life insurance policy, we get you policy that's catered to the level of the time you had to live on life. So you don't need nothing that you don't need to do need. So your age is a big part of how you invest, how you look at the market. Me, I'm old, I'm 49. So I looked at the market as from a time perspective. I missed out on a lot of things, but I didn't grasp earlier in life. So when I just learned the market, because I was trying to find another way to get home, because I always thought it was you had to have 5, 10, 20,000 to get in the market and get a good start, because you buying shares. So this is 20 a share, 100. The good stocks, 200, 300 a share. How many of those you gonna buy with $2,000, $3,000? So this is where options come into play. Options enables you to under $1,000. You can get in on an option play, and you got the potential to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000. Now that's what they saw at the beginning of the pandemic. That's when AMC was at $4. People right here. Now on this chart, you see it say 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month. I like looking at a 5-day dependent. Now I also like, now let's go back to here. We're gonna hit the 5 year, and it's gonna show 2021. 2020, excuse me. It's gonna show 2020. When it was in the negatives. You see what I'm saying? It was in the negatives, like $5. Up in here, $7. See, below that. That was in 2021, February 2021. You know what I mean? It was like $7. Then boom. right here, when it hit $10 in May 2021, and it shot up. You see that? It shot up. When it shot up right there, it shot all the way up to $72. Actually, $72.62. But this is now this run up right here. When you saw that straight line, that was the time to get out. And you would have gotten out at that time. The Nasdaq rolled itself back down because all the hedge funds and the people that feel like it's an overvalued stock. That's why you have to learn about the company. You know, look, they just, some news said they just got some where they're gonna be allowed to pay off more of their debt. So when they give you a chance to pay off debt, it's the movie theater. And to be honest, that's what made I do common sense investing. I look at stocks and like it's a want or a need. Like life insurance, that's a need. Some things I want: cars, jewelry, clothes. That's all wants. Even the type of house you in, that's a want. You know what I'm saying? But some things you need. Life insurance is a need. You know what I mean? Just the stock market, this is a want. But making money is a need. So if this is a way we can make money, and you can work through this, now if you long term, you don't want to sit down and watch the screen every day. So boom. In this regard, in this little time that is dropping, you learn how to read the charts. Red, you want to put it in, in blocks, or you want to put it in Bollinger Bands. You know, that however you want it displayed, this, so you could kind of comprehend what's really going on. You look at that, and now mind you, I know this is for first timers, and if this is information wise, you know, just bear with me. But you know, I'm trying to also, I want the first timers that may be watching to just kind of know when you're getting into this game, certain things to look for and certain things. But anyway, now with options, I play the prices. I don't know, it's a numbers game. I look at it from the retail perspective. Streets perspective, look at it like that work. Look at it. Shout to Wall Street Trapper once again. See, Wall Street Trapper, I say him. Y'all look on YouTube, go to Wall Street Trapper, tell him Chiefs for Life sent you. Tap it to your boy, try to help me get my money back, because you know he started doing that in prison. But he mentioned something in one of his videos one time trying to explain the market. He mentioned GI, I'm from GI Gary 219 TV, baby, Chiefs for Life. But he mentioned Gary on some, you know, like say we get it cheap in New Orleans and the dude from Gary comes down, well, he know he can sell it for more up there. I'm like, man, Trap know about the G. Ever since then, I was tapped into him and the guy Ian as well, just to show that this guy's from I could see, and not even knowing. I'm 49, man, and not even knowing that the stock Chicago, one of the biggest stock exchanges, right in Chicago. So just to show you how this life is right up under our nose, millions and millions of dollars. We trying to get crumbs from the cake, baby. That's it. We getting crumbs off the cake, and that still could give you thousands or put you and your family in a nice situation if you manage it right. Now, where I lost it, I didn't manage it right. My goal was don't take nothing out, just let it stay in there and build up, so I can get to this 25 so I could trade. That's my goal. So I'm not even wanting to, I might take out 1,000 here, 2,000, something like that, but I didn't want to take out nothing major. But now, being new to the market, had I known the market though, you know what I mean? Had I known the market, I would have took something out. You know what I'm saying? I would have took something out. Had I known the market, I would have took my shit out quick. You know what I'm saying? But not knowing the market, leaving it is gonna go down and go up. Now, when it go down, and it go down like this right here, go down choppy, 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 up, choppy, choppy, choppy. See, this up is boom like a rocket. These kind of choppy. So they call it parabolic when they go to a certain way, up or down. When it's going down and to the right, that's not good. That's not good at all. When it's going down and to the right. When it's going down and to the left, well, there we go. Where we go. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We back. 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 Boom. As I was saying, and when it's choppy, 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 choppy right here, and it's going down, the money is like when I said. Now remember, options, $100, $100 per dollar. That's what attracted me to options. Is for every dollar the stock go up, you get paid $100. But what they don't tell you is this: if it go up in a straight line like this, 9 times out of 10, if it go up in a straight line like that, so big, when it went from, if you was in at 15 and it went from 15 to, boom, let's just say when it got to right here to 55, that's a $40 difference multiplied by 100. That's a $4,000 thing in that one moment. Now you made 4,000, so just imagine how much those companies that put $1 million on that same thing that you put 400 on. 2, 3, 400% returns, which is enormous. So that's why that was the time to capitalize. Why you saw everybody on YouTube, stocks, we getting rich, da 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 da. I even got caught up in the wave, dropping videos, da da da. Go back, check some of my old videos. That's when it was straight running and I was first getting into it. It was binging, 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 binging. So now the market has cycles, though. You got to learn the market cycles as a new investor. So it's like, boom. Anyways, when they come down, choppy, 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 now it breaks that 300 up. So that 300 might become 300, 250, 220, depending on how it's going up and down. But it's going to go down just as quick. So now the options, what I would do when it shoot up, boom, you cover the downside. But we're going to get into that on the next video. So now I'm gonna see if we can break down some right here. We're gonna take it to Robinhood. Now let's take it to Robinhood. Now on the Robinhood side, what we're doing right here is now I'm showing you they got different options. The price 15.38. So like they say now, calls and puts, you live and die by that when you're doing options, calls and puts. So your call right here, meaning the price 15.38, you feel it's gonna go to 15.50. So if you feel it's gonna go there for that little 15-cent difference, you're gonna pay $82 for it. Now that $82, mind you, it say 82 cents, but really it's everything's by 100, so it's $82 that you're gonna pay. But for that $82, but you're giving yourself a week for that to happen. Unlike if you were at the casino or if you like them, you gotta happen that night or you lose. So the risk of gambling is way more than the risk to invest, especially if you know how to invest it through the time, right? But that's another video. So you put down the $82. When you put down the $82, they give you a week for it to go up or down. Now, boom. Now we get into the managing the money when you're playing options. Now, options not that. If you invest in long term, say you take the $82 in the stock, 15, you want to buy $82 worth of that stock. So what's going to give you like 30? So it's going to give you about 4.5 shares, maybe 4 or 5 shares of that stock. Now, if those 4 or 5 shares go up $3, you'll have $18. $3 times 5, 3, 6, 3, 6, 10, 15. So you'd be made $18 off of those 5 shares that you paid $82 for. If you're doing an option and those 5 shares go up $3, you're gonna get $300 for that $82 that you put out. So my thinking was, if I could put down 82 and get 300 instead of putting down 82 and make 30, I'm going with the 300. Voila, now you're doing options. And if you came into the game like me, you won't turn back. But at the same time, don't jump off a cliff like I did either. You got to manage your risk, feed the account. Only do what you can lose. Only play with what you can lose, which is what you start out, boom, boom, boom. Once I got, because what I did at first, I got in, binged it up, and started playing with house money. But then I got real reckless with it, because when you playing with it, seeing a lot of that money come and go like that, in your mind, you start disrespecting money and looking at it in a different way. You can't invest for greed. You can't trade in greed. Trading is a lifestyle. Trading is what you do. Trading is what you do to make money. You know what I'm saying? Trading is what you do to make money. It's what you do to make money. So as you trade, now if you long-term investing, you put your money in, you don't got to watch screens, you ain't got to watch prices. But me, When I got money in there, I prefer to be in a situation where I can watch the market from the time it opened to the time it closed. And at any time, you might have to get in and out to save the money you got in there. Because if it dropped too low, the comeback might take to next week. Now you hit for that week, which I do 1 week option, which you should do at least 30 days on the option if you can. But then the price change, because like say here, let's just say here, if you took this auction down to, let's just say 2 weeks, you see it's $82 now. Now 2 weeks, it's $167. But say for the $167, now they give you 2 weeks to say that it's gonna go from 1538 to 1550. So you're gonna get more on that $100 return if it do $3. Your money on that honey gonna be a little bit more because your percentage gonna be up on that. So it's gonna change to 38%. So your 38% gonna be at that $167. So boom, that's gonna put you at a nice little lick. Between 300 to 500, depending on how much you move, but you're gonna get that off of that 167. If it happens, the more you put down, the more you get. You put 82, you're gonna get less. So now you get deeper. You want to be comfortable, you get it for 2 months, 3 months, put 500 down, hold it for a few months, Everything price is different, but it's a numbers game. Now, whatever the price of the stock, but you know what? I'm gonna hold off right here. We're gonna come back to the next one. Stocks on the block, man. We're gonna be bringing it to the hood, showing y'all how to break this option thing down, how to get in there. You know, you get some, you win, you lose. Let me know where I'm going because I'm sometimes winning and losing. So, but when I'm losing, I'm down bad. So now I'm trying to get back. So when you help for tips or hips, you can give me, boy, Trap, EYL, Uncle Larry, Stock Mode, reach out to me, man. I'm trying to make this thing happen. But at the same time, each one teach one. I want to give the people information I know because that's going to be able to help you as well. So I'd rather give you that game instead of give you that change out your pocket because the game going to last a whole lot longer. Believe that. You know what I'm saying? They say teach man how to fish. And what?